What Osho says on how tratak kriya can make third eye functional.
How is the third eye related with this technique of looking? It is deeply related. Really, this technique is to open the third eye. If your two eyes stop completely, if they become non-moving, static, like stones, with no movement in these eyes, the energy stops flowing through them. If you stop them, the energy stops flowing through them. The energy flows. That is why they move. The vibration, the movement, is because of the energy. If the energy is not moving, your eyes will become just like a dead man's eyes, stony, dead. Looking at a spot, staring at it without allowing your eyes to move anywhere else will give a staticness. Suddenly, the energy which was moving through the two eyes will not be moving through these eyes. And energy has to move. Energy cannot be static. Eyes can be static, but energy cannot be static. When these eyes are closed to the energy, if suddenly the doors are closed and the energy cannot move through these eyes, it tries to find a new path. And the third eye is just near, just between the two eyebrows, half an inch deep. It is just near, the nearest point. If your energy is released from these eyes, the first thing that can happen is that it will move through the third eye. It is just as if water is flowing and you close one hole. It will find another, the nearest which can be found with the least resistance. It will find it automatically. You do not have to do anything specifically. With these physical eyes, you just have to stop energy from moving through them, and then energy will find its own path and it will move through the third eye.